wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Aw. Yeah. Oh, one more time.
One more time. Wow.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
And happy holidays to you!
Yeah, happy holidays, guys. Is it snowing where you are?
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, I love the snow.
It sure is snowing here.
It's wonderful. I like it.
That's why we're back in the arts and crafts studios.
Yeah. We're making...
A special Christmas craft.
Yeah. I don't want to tell you what it is because this one's Noah's special one that he wanted to do.
Yeah, I really wanted to do it because I really like it because it's something that you can hang up on a window and it makes it look more Christmassy.
Yeah, it makes it look very Christmassy. You can also hang it from a string hanging in the middle of your room.
Yeah, that's true. And, you know, there are places where it doesn't snow. So, for example, I kind of gave it away. But for places where it doesn't snow, you can make your own snowflakes.
Yeah,
that's what we're going to do.
Yay!
Right?
Yeah, and then you can pretend like you have snow too because some kids have never even seen snow in real life.
That's true.
Wow.
Like kids in Africa.
Yeah, or kids in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, actually, in parts of Hawaii, do you know this? In parts of Hawaii, it snows. Mm-hmm. If you're in the Big Island of Hawaii, then at the very bottom, it doesn't snow. But there's a really high mountain in Hawaii, and at the top of the mountain, it snows. So you could, on the same day, you could go to the beach and go swimming, and go to the top of the mountain and go skiing in the snow.
Whoa.
Yep.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah, Hawaii's crazy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. But today we're going to show you kids out there what you need to do and what you need to have in order to make your own snowflakes.
Oh, yes.
It's quite simple, actually, because all you need is construction paper, just like here, and you can get them in all different kinds of colors, or you can make your snowflakes all white. It depends what you want to do, but you can do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
And then you just need a pair of scissors, just like this.
Yep, just like these.
Your safety scissors.
Yep. Very nice.
And that's pretty much it. You just have to do a lot of folding, and then at the very end, you cut them, and because every snowflake is different, also outside in real life, we're gonna make our snowflakes, every single one, different.
Yeah. Oh, do you remember why snowflakes are different?
No.
This was one of my favorite sciences because the ice forms crystals, and crystals grow naturally, so no two crystals grow the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
Ice crystals.
We actually did that.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
Of course I remember that.
Yeah.
Silly me. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to have different types of pieces of paper, just like this.
Me too.
And then we're going to make black
and some red
and green and orange and brown. Yeah, so all you have to do is fold them. But we're going to show that to you in just a moment. So why don't you get your paper, construction paper, and then we'll show you exactly what to do.
Yeah. Okay? And don't forget your scissors.
And don't forget the scissors. Exactly.
Perfect.
So we'll be right back. Get your stuff and we'll be right back.
Awesome.
We'll wait.
Yeah, we'll see you in 1 second.
Okay. very easy, isn't it?
Yeah, that was so much fun. I really liked it.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we did in snowflake in every single color.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah, we have so many. Can I show my first one?
Okay, you go ahead.
Okay, my first one is,
Whoa.
it's a black snowflake.
Yeah, it is a black
Yeah,
snowflake.
that's different, huh? Like maybe at night when a snowflake falls, maybe it could be black, or like it's in the shadows. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mine. Can I show mine?
Yeah, please.
This is mine.
Ooh,
It's
a yellow one.
I used a lot of circles when I cut this one
Yeah,
out.
That one's awesome. I like
Yep.
it a lot.
Right?
And diamonds on the corners.
Yep.
And then,
You're next.
yep. And then my next one is brown,
Whoa.
like a tree.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That looks very nice too.
Thanks. Yeah, I like that one a lot too.
Yep. My next one is orange.
Ooh.
It stuck to my other one.
I
And
love
made
that one.
lines. Yeah, just
That's
lines.
really neat. That's
So
that's like it's like a spaceship.
Yeah, so basically I just cut lines straight
Mm-hmm.
and I made them in different sizes. One long line and then one short line and then one, it basically from long to shortest.
That's really, really cool.
Yep.
Yeah, I like it. And my next one that I did,
Wow, red.
my next one, is red.
Wow.
Ooh, do you like that?
Those are really nice shapes that you cut out there.
Yeah, hold on.
They're like
there we
round.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like big round ones and small round ones.
Yeah.
Wow, you did a great job on that
Thanks.
one.
Yeah, it's like a snowflake and like a flower.
Yeah.
It's pretty. I like
Yep.
it. Cool.
Mine is actually a white snowflake.
Oh, white one.
Yep.
Yay.
See?
Yeah. Oh,
Pretty good, huh?
yeah, that looks great.
Yep.
Ooh, very, very, very nice.
Yeah, I like that one too.
I like that one too. I like white snowflakes.
Maybe we can put these onto the window later.
I think so.
And maybe it'll start snowing too.
Ooh, that'd be lovely. My next one is, it's like red mixed with white.
Whoa.
Whoa, pink.
I know you made that with a lot of triangles that you cut out. You took your time for that. It was like triangle and triangle and triangle. That was a
Yeah.
tough one to do, but that one looks
Yeah.
beautiful. Look at the
Thank you.
triangle edges.
Yeah, there's so
Whoa.
many. Oh yeah, all around the edges is triangles.
Yeah.
And then in the middle, it's triangles, and then triangles when you unfold it made diamonds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
This is a floppy snowflake because it's a little bit loose.
Yeah, but it's really, really pretty. Here, I'll help you hold it.
I might have cut too much out of it.
Yeah, but it's really, really pretty.
Yeah, but
it
I
looks
think-
kind of like a stained glass snowflake.
Yeah, I think we can still stick it on the window.
Oh yeah, we can tape it. We just tape the edge together.
Yeah.
Where it's floppy. And then this is my last one.
Wow, that's nice too.
Yeah.
That's really beautiful.
You like that? In the middle, look, it's like lots of little cuts, like a sun maybe.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
This is really pretty.
Yep.
Yeah, I liked it too. It's green, like spring.
Yep. And then this is my last one.
Ooh.
That only has
That
small
one's
little holes.
neat.
That's in
Yeah.
contrast to my blue one. The blue one was like a lot of space.
Yeah.
And this one has very little space, so you
Yeah.
barely can look through.
It's nice if you put your hand behind it, you can see.
Yeah, exactly.
better.
Thanks.
Ooh, I like that. That's really, really, really neat. No,
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, and look, you even did like around the edges, like little
I did.
tiny cuts.
Yep.
Yeah, that's great. Yay!
So it's quite easy to do, and you can do lots and lots and lots and
Yeah,
stick them
so,
on
so,
every
so
window
many.
or
Yeah.
hang them in your room, and then it makes it look like it's snowing.
Yeah, you can even put them on your door so that when people come over, they know that you decorated for the holidays.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's pretty good.
yeah, very good.
I'm very much looking forward to the holidays.
Me too.
Yep.
And the snow.
Have you been good this year?
Oh, I am always good. Okay, I've been mostly good.
Okay.
Yeah, how about you?
I've been mostly good too. Sometimes I'm not so good,
Yeah.
but I've learned a lot to be better.
Me too, me too. It's hard being good sometimes.
Yep.
Mhm.
But
Right.
I've learned to write thank you notes or
Yeah.
say excuse me
Mhm. And
or
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, yeah, I
you
learned
say
that.
that. I learned
Yeah.
that too, yeah. Mhm.
I learned to not be too competitive, but I just am.
Yeah, I'm a bit
I just wanna
competitive too. Yeah,
So
yeah.
Yep.
It's hard being good all the time.
Yep.
Mhm.
do you want to should we play the snow globe again and we can listen to some more
Oh yeah,
Music?
we should.
some more Christmas music?
We should say bye to the kids first, right?
Yeah, we should.
Okay.
Okay, kids,
Okay.
thanks for watching. I
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed it and you can make your own Christmas craft
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, thank
Right.
you. Bye, kids. Yeah, send me
Bye.
pictures of your snowflakes.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, bye.
Do you want to turn it on?
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Okay. Aw.
It's so beautiful,
nice.
isn't it?
Yeah.
I love it. I could just be watching it the whole time. Look, there's Santa Claus.
Yeah.
And Miss Santa Claus.
Aw. And candy cane designs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
It really is.
Yep. Oh, look at the toys.
Yeah, and look, it's like a gingerbread house.
Yeah. I can't wait to open our presents for Christmas.
Me too, me too, me
Yeah.
too. Aw. We did the last note. It ended perfect.
Yeah. I guess we should clean up so we'll be good and we'll get maybe an extra present.
Yeah. Let's clean up all these scraps. Okay.
I'll put away the paper.
Thank you. I'm cleaning up the extra scraps we cut out. Okay. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!